Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I would like to welcome you to my Luxury Closet 529, a place where not everything is luxurious, but a lot of it is luxurious to me, and here I like to share some of those luxuries with you. Now, recently I've slowed down my videos a whole bunch because I am taking some time for family and for puppies, and speaking of puppies, let me grab the new addition. Miss Ellie May has doubled in size since the last time you saw her, and she is a lover. She usually doesn't like it when I hold her like this, but we're getting pretty close to nap time. The last time I showed her on film, she fell asleep when I was holding her like this. I'm not sure she would do that now, but she is just absolutely precious. I love this little puppy, and my older puppies are starting to love her too. She is getting along with Chewy, the boy, really well. Now Maisie's still undecided, but Chewy and Ellie wrestle every day, multiple times per day, and Chewy, the lighter colored dog, the one that is like the apricot and cream, he was almost disabled before we got her. He could barely stand up. And so when we got her, we put him on a little bit of a diet because he was a little heavy. And the playing with her has made it so where he seems like he is half the age that he was. So it's a pretty amazing accomplishment to renew one dog and get a new one. So we're pretty excited about that. Now, I've got her set up with a little bed in here. I'm hoping that she will just rest and relax instead of eating something in my closet. She likes to eat the furry footstool that I'm currently sitting on. And so I have a feeling I may have to shut her out of this room. She wants down. Miss Ellie May is now napping in the bathroom, and so I can get straight back to the video. This portion of the video is sponsored generously by Rose Forever, a company that I love and that I've worked with many times. They have generously gifted me this gorgeous bouquet for Valentine's Day, and I believe that it's under $150 with the discount code that I can put down in my description box. It is so pretty, and I love the combination of different flowers and greenery that they have assembled in this bouquet. When I originally looked at the pictures, I thought that these were feathers, but they're not. I just love it, and I love the little pops of green that you can see, and even the touches of black around a couple of the roses. It comes in a ceramic vase, which is different than the standard cardboard or velvet boxes, and then you can see that their emblem is in a very tasteful and attractive gold on the front. If you look at the back, you can really see that it's three-dimensional. It is gorgeous from whichever direction that you approach it from. So I would highly recommend Rose Forever for Valentine's Day gifts, or really any type of gift for someone who you care about, or for yourself if you need a little pick-me-up. They are preserved with all natural oils. This one did come with a really nice scent, and I have found that over time the scent dissipates, but I myself am particularly sensitive to perfume smells, and this does not bother me at all, probably because it is all natural. I have bouquets in my collection from Rose Forever I've had longer than a year, and they still look every bit as beautiful as the first day I got them, but the scent is gone from those. So that is the only thing that I have noticed that has went away as time has passed. All of the roses that I've gotten, all of the bouquets are still absolutely fabulous. So check out Rose Forever and use my discount code. I'll put it down in the description box below. The next item I have to show you, I did purchase myself. It is from Infinity Jewelers, and I have gotten an item gifted to me from them before, but I have purchased more than I've been gifted. I've purchased 2 pairs of earrings in their lab-created diamond, and then they gifted me a Zonar moissanite pendant to match those earrings. And it matched so well that I decided to go ahead and purchase another piece of their Zonar moissanite. Now, I have a wedding set in yellow and white gold that has a Charles and Colvard moissanite in the center. And this is about a carat equivalent to diamond in the center. I absolutely love this ring. I like switching my rings up, and having diamond center stones in every single one of my rings isn't really economically practical, so moissanite offers a wonderful alternative. The cost of lab created diamonds has come down a lot, but moissanite is still less expensive, and it is a gemstone that is found in nature. It was actually discovered in meteors quite some time ago, and they were able to figure out a way to grow it in the lab. The hardness of the moissanites is the next best thing to what you get with a diamond. So let's see what I picked out. I think the packaging that Infinity Jewelers has is quite lovely. It's a beautiful pale robin's egg blue. And I do want to go ahead and pop the discount code in here for 30% off in case you decide you want to pick up one of these pieces. I will link this one down below. There are several different color options. The code is MLC30 for 30% off. So let's go ahead and open it up. And I got a 1.7 carat weight equivalent Zonar moissanite set with little moissanites around it in a 14 karat yellow gold. And I have it on a 16-inch chain here. And they offer it in either a 16-inch or an 18-inch option. And I've got the 16-inch option that I'm going to show you today. Now this piece can be either hung at this angle as kind of a diamond, or you can run the chain through side to side, but I have found that when I do that, it flips over. So because of that, I like to keep it at this angle. And so now I have it on. I have found that if I place it right here at this level, that it doesn't flip over very much at all, and it stays positioned pretty perfectly. I know you've seen it in the box and on my hand, but I just think it looks really cool right there in the notch of my neck. And the reason why I picked this particular design was because of my ring. I feel like it goes really nicely with the halo of diamonds around the center stone. When I ordered it, I actually thought that the center stone was a carat, not 1.7. I was mistaken, but I think with the double halo around the ring that it looks really nice anyway, and I'm super delighted with the purchase. So that is my new item from Infinity Jewelers. I highly recommend you check them out. And if you do, please use my discount code. You will save a little bit more than you would with the store discount code that they have going on right now. I do have a couple of videos that I have planned that are coming up. One of them is regarding a fake that I purchased by accident that I got authenticated, and it came back fake, and so I ended up having to return it to the seller, and that's a whole story on its own. And then I have a couple of Louis Vuitton bags that I have purchased, one from a pre-loved site and one from the Louis Vuitton website that I cannot wait to share with you. But today is focused on Rose Forever and Infinity Jewelers and Ellie May. And my bag of the day is my Marc Jacobs, the tote bag in the gorgeous cement color. I carried this with me to a basketball game yesterday. I've been going to lots of basketball games, and I love that I can pull out the Zumani insert out of this bag and switch it to one of my other 3 Marc Jacobs the tote bags super easily. And I also love that I can fit a couple bottles of Diet Dr. Pepper in there and zip it up on the top and sneak those into the games with me, because most of these places just have Diet Coke, and I am not a fan of Diet Coke. I'm a Diet Dr. Pepper lover through and through. So stick around, subscribe if you're not subscribed, because I will have some videos coming up with more handbag action in the near future. After I sign out for the day today, I'm going to have some puppy footage if you want to see Ellie May in action. And so that will come after I say goodbye. And so if you want to see it, it is coming up soon. If you want to reach out to me, you can find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then myluxurycloset529. You can email me at myluxurycloset529@gmail.com. I guess if I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Stay tuned for puppy footage. Take care. Bye. of herself. Ellie! Ellie! You know how to make a squeaker work? She can just sit there and squeak it, and she's so entertained.